If they just come in and say, hey doc, fix my erection, I'm not going to do anything. When we look at what to expect, I always say from the IEF5, we can expect you to raise one level at a time. I'm not expecting someone going from a severe ED to having the erection of an 18-year-old. If they don't respond to the PD5, the first goal will be to having them to respond to PD5 again. We're not going to jump these steps. If they respond to PD5, we can reduce the dose. So again, set some markers that's easy to manage. Focus on the lifestyle. If they just come in and say, hey doc, fix my erection, I'm not going to do anything, you're most likely not going to be successful. Be sure that it's not a mental problem. Because if you keep treating and nothing's happening, but they have performance anxiety, it's not going to work.